With summers approaching, Pakistan's water crisis could deepen as India is preparing to stop the flow of surplus water from the Ravi River into Pakistan. Jammu and Kashmir Minister Javed Ahmed Rana said the development became possible after the Indus Water Treaty was placed in abeyance, allowing faster progress on the long-pending Shahpur Kandi Dam project located on the Punjab-Jammu and Kashmir border. The minister stated that once the dam becomes operational, India will be able to prevent excess Ravi water from crossing into Pakistan, marking a major shift in how eastern Indus Basin rivers are utilized. Rana informed that the dam project is expected to be completed by March 31 and the water will be diverted to the drought-affected Kathua and Samba districts. Excess water going to Pakistan will be stopped. It must be stopped. Kathua and Samba are drought-hit areas and this project is a priority for the Kandi regions, Rana told reporters. The Shahpur Kandi Dam project key details. At present, surplus Ravi water flows through Madhupur and enters Pakistan, which lies downstream. Once completed, the Shahpur Kandi Dam will redirect this water towards Punjab and Jammu and Kashmir, ensuring better irrigation and water availability in dry regions. The project was first proposed in 1979 to prevent Ravi water from flowing into Pakistan. The foundation stone was laid by former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi in 1982, but construction stalled for decades due to disputes between Punjab and Jammu and Kashmir. Later in 2008, it was declared a national project. The dam is being built at an estimated cost of Rs 3,394.49 crore, with Punjab contributing around 80%, that means 2,694.2 crore rupee, and the remaining 20%, 700.45 crore rupee funded by the Government of India. The dam is 55.5 meters high and includes a 7.7 kilometer long hydro canal. Officials said the project will provide irrigation benefits to nearly 5,000 hectares in Punjab and more than 32,173 hectares in the Kathua and Samba district of Jammu and Kashmir. Former Irrigation Minister Taj Mohiuddin stated that the dam's operation does not fall under the Indus Water Treaty as India holds exclusive rights over the Ravi River. On April 23, 2025, a day after the Pahalgam terror attack in which 26 civilians were killed, India formally placed the Indus Water Treaty in abeyance. For the first time since 1960, India linked water cooperation with Pakistan to Islamabad's alleged support for terrorism. Pakistan's economy and farming sector remains heavily dependent on the Indus River system, with nearly 80 to 90% on its agriculture relying on it. However, Pakistan's water shortage capacity is limited and can hold only about 1 month's worth of flow. Under the treaty, Pakistan has rights over the Indus, Jhelum and Chenab, while India has control over the Ravi, Beas and Satluj. Since the treaty has been suspended, India has accelerated multiple hydroelectric and irrigation projects in the Indus Basin, including Sawalkote, Ratle, Bhursar, Pakaldul, Kwar, Khiru and Kirthai 1 and 2. India recently announced a faster development of the Sawalkote project as well. That's all for now on this update. Stay tuned to The Savera. Download the app and follow us on various social media platforms.